So this is my submission for CS50 PSAT homepage. So when you go to my homepage of my website, the homepage of the homepage, it brings up this tab, which has a header at the top formatted using Bootstrap that says tells the TAs what the page is, and then it says a little bit about me. And there's a navigation bar at the bottom, which we can use to navigate to all the other different pages. So let's go ahead and do that now. We'll go to Info, the first page, and it gives you Michael at a glance. So again, it's formatted at the top using some Bootstrap features. This is actually the alert success feature to get the green background. And I'll tell you some stuff about me, some information, formatted tables. This was a lot of HTML table formatting, those kinds of headers. So a lot of that. The next page we'll go to is things I like and don't like. And this is by far the coolest page. It's the most time. So what's happening here is I have a whole bunch of alerts, and the alerts are randomly placing themselves somewhere on the screen. It's formatted so they don't interfere with the top, so it's randomly anywhere in the white space. But all the forms randomly generate somewhere on the screen. It's different every single time. And what we can do with these forms is we can go ahead and click on one. So in the spirit of it being the day before the Yale-Harvard football game, we can go ahead and click on the Harvard tab. When we click on it, it brings up an alert that says Michael does not like this. We can click OK. And it reloads the page and everything randomly places itself in a new position. So it's kind of interactive. Every time you go to the page, it'll be a little bit different. Can do something we do like the Yale chicken tenders, and it says, Michael likes this. So this was by far the hardest page to make. It took the most time. It was really hard to figure out how to randomly generate the positions, but I think it's a cool feature. It's very interactive. It's very cool. It's different every time. So the next page we'll go to is pictures, which just gives you quite simply some pictures of me. There's some friends from high school, my sisters, some various pictures of me. Just adding extra formatting in the HTML, including JPEGs. So pretty simple. And the last page I have is extra. And as you can see, we only need 3 other pages for our web page. This is the 4th one. And I just have a note to the grader that in the things I like and don't like page, I really liked it. It took the most time. It was the most interactive. I thought it was by far the coolest feature. And I spent so much time on it, I felt bad not including it in the web page. But the issue is it doesn't look quite right on mobile. That's because when I randomly set the position, I use the number of pixels and randomly generate that. And since phones are formatted differently than websites, that gets a little bit weird. So I added this page just so that you can say I have at least 3 pages outside of my home page, which look good and everything works fine on mobile. This is really just as a safeguard in case there's an issue with the fact things I like and don't like. Doesn't look quite right on mobile, but like I said, it was just too good of a feature not to include. So that's about it. That's my submission. Thank you.